All right, well, let's talk about the skies and take to the skies because just in the last 20 minutes or so, we just got some confirmation from Sing Air. Singapore Airlines referring to reports that they have been in negotiations with Jeju Air to take a stake in South Korea's small airline. And they said, yes, we haven't been in negotiations. So let's talk about this to Yoon, who's standing by in Seoul. Yoon, and what does a Sing Air investment in Jeju Air means for, I guess, the airline competition in South Korea?
So actually, local analysts are actually seeing this as a really big deal. So this could mean that the Jeju Air could now become one of the top 3 airlines in Korea. Now we just have Korean Air and Asiana Airlines. But again, looking at market reaction, we are seeing from market reaction that this is a positive for Jeju Air. AK Holdings is showing a huge jump today in the markets. Again, local reports are saying that Singapore Airlines is looking to buy a 20% stake in Jeju Air, which is a budget airline in Korea. And again, the reports are saying that these two companies are at the final stages and discussing price details at this time. So again, a 20% stake in the Jeju Air was set up jointly by 10 years ago by Jeju Island and Aegeon Group. And because AK Holdings continued investing into the airline, AK Group now holds a 86% stake in the airline. Jeju Island and the KDB Korea Development Bank now hold about 4.5% stake each in Jeju Air. And Jeju Air is planning for a IPO in the second half of this year. So this is again coming unexpectedly for this name. This is based on where Jeju Airlines is trading on the OTC market. A 20% stake in Jeju Air is estimated to be about 140 billion won deal for Singapore Airlines. So analysts are seeing this deal again as something that could really push Jeju Air into the top 3 airlines in Korea. Right now, Jeju's flights are mainly focused on Southeast Asian routes only. So with the investment from Singapore Airlines, analysts are seeing this to be possibly something that will push Jeju Air into the international markets, branching out more into international routes, again, with the help of Singapore Airlines infrastructure and things like that. So, of course, the deal is still ongoing, and they are still discussing price details at this point. Bernie, back to you.
Hope the deal doesn't lead to people overrunning Jeju Island. It's such a beautiful place to visit in the summer, June, I have to say. I'd like to keep it secret if possible. All right, see you later, June. Up next, some McDonald's workers in America complaining about